Now let's go to question 13. Question 13 says that a function g is divided by the set of real numbers r by g of x equals 1 minus 3x all over x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. Find the image of 1 under the function g. I say the value of x of which g of x equals 7. And also we have the value of g of minus 3. After that, we come to the b side. So let's do the g of x is equal to 1 minus 3x all over x minus 1. And they are saying that x is not equal to 1. Okay, so now let's go. Let's pick our I. They said that the image of minus 1. So anywhere I see x, I'll put 1 over there. So I'll get g of minus 1 will be equal to 1 minus 3 bracket minus 1 all over minus 1 minus 1. Then I'll get g of minus 1 will be equal to 1 minus 3 all over minus 2. G of minus 1 being equal to 4 over minus 2. Then I'll get g of minus 1 being equal to minus 2. Now our I says that the value of g of minus 3, that is if x is, that's the I. It is simply if x is 3. So we have g of minus 3 being equal to 1 minus 3 brackets minus 3 all over x minus 3. Sorry, we are going to get g of minus 3 being equal to 1 minus 3 brackets minus 3, then close the brackets, all over minus 3 minus 1. Are we good? So our g of minus 3 will be equal to 1 plus 9 all over minus 4. Now I'm going to get g of minus 3 being equal to 10 over minus 4. Then I'm going to get 5 on minus 2, which is the same as minus 5 on 2. Now for our B part, it is AP. It says that the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 120. If the fifth term is 6 less than the 8th term, find the common difference and also find the first term. So we will code the formula for AP, then we just work with it. So we have Sn. So we have Sn being equal to n over 2 bracket open 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d in a bracket. So we will fix in. We are giving Sn to be 120. So 120 being equal to 10 on 2 bracket 2a plus 10 again minus 1 bracket close d, then we close our bracket. Now we continue. We are going to simplify because we can't leave it like that. We will simplify this one and do the necessary multiplication, then we move. So we are going to get 120. It's equal to 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Then our bracket will come. 2a plus 10 minus 1 will give you 9. Bracket close d. Then we close the bracket. We can simplify again. So we go to 120 is equal to 5 bracket 2a plus 9d. Are we good? Then we can also move further, multiply further and say 120 is equal to 10a plus 45d. Now, I can rewrite this one and make it an equation. So I'll write 10a plus 45d is equal to 120. That will be our first equation. But the numbers here are too big, so I can divide. I can divide each side by 5. So if I divide through by 5, I'm going to get 2a plus 9d is equal to 24. That's our equation 1. So you can choose not to name this one equation 1. After you get this one, you name it as equation 1. Okay, so let's move ahead. So now our first term, it's equal to a plus 4d, and our eighth term will be equal to a plus 7d per the question that we have. So now we will equate the we will equate the two and solve for d. We will equate the first term and the eighth term, then we solve for the common difference. So we are going to get a plus 4d being equal to a plus 7d minus 6. That is our equation. That is our equation 2. So let's continue and solve for d. So we'll group like terms. So we will just group like terms. So we're going to get a minus a plus 4d minus 7d is equal to minus 6. Now the a and a will go away. 4d minus 7d will give you minus 3d being equal to minus 6. If you divide both sides by minus 3, you're going to get d equals 2. So the d equals 2 becomes our common difference. Now we can put this d equals 2 into the equation 1 and solve for a as well. So put d equals 2 in equation 1. And what does equation 1 says? Equation 1 says that 2a plus 9d is equal to 24. That's our equation 1. So we will put d equals 2 into this equation. So we're going to get 2a plus 9d being equal to 24. That's our equation 1. So let's fix in the d. So we are going to get 2a plus 9, then we put the 2 there, being equal to 24. Then we will simplify. We're going to get 2a plus 18 being equal to 24. Now we are solving for a. So we're going to get 2a being equal to 24 minus 18. Then 2a will be equal to 6. If I divide both sides by 2, I'm going to get a equal to 3. So per the question, the section B, the common difference is equal to 2, and the first term is equal to 3. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel.